So hey guys, welcome to my channel Nerdy Nerd, and today it's a short vlog of Tamini Ghat plus a small jacuzzi waterfall that we found along the road of Tamini Ghat. So first viewpoint, as you can see, and after we started going towards Savlya Ghat, this is the second viewpoint. As you can see, we were closing towards the famous view, and I took few time lapses on the way. Enjoy a few time lapses on the top. The famous Devkund waterfall, as you can see in the distance, and you also see another waterfall in the view. So a beautiful vista at the end, at the edge of the cliff, you can say. So now we are going back.
A few moments later,
After a few kilometers ahead, we found this beautiful small waterfall where we enjoyed for some time, clicked some pictures, did some underwater photography, videography. So enjoy, and after spending few minutes there, few hours there, we departed back to our home, and this is what the Tamil Ghat looks in the monsoon. It's amazing and it's beautiful. And we ended our journey by having a lunch at 3 p.m. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit a like button.